Today's lecture, we're going to look at survey problem using the Venn diagrams. So example 1, it shows that 60 people were contacted and responded to the movie survey. The following information were obtained. 6 people like comedy, drama, and science fiction. 13 people like comedy and drama. 10 people like the comedies and science fictions. 11 people like drama and science fictions. 26 people like comedy only. 21 people like the drama. 25 people like the science fictions. The first thing we wanted to do is creating Venn diagrams, because with this problem, if we don't see the Venn diagram of it, if we wanted to answer all these questions, it's not going to be easy. We need to really think hard to figure out what the answer is for all these questions. But I'm going to show you, once we build Venn diagram for this problem, it's not hard to answer those questions. So let's try to build our Venn diagrams. So look like we have 3 different types of movie. So I'm going to draw union set with 3 different movie. The first one, I'm going to say comedy. Second one is drama. The third one is science fictions. Then what else we wanted to see? When we have base pictures, then the value that you wanted to start putting is from inside out. Always start from inside out. So the most inside of this Venn diagram is this area right here. Intersection of all 3. And intersection of all 3 is going to be 6 people like comedy, drama, science fiction movie, right? So that's going to be 6. So let's write that down, 6. And then the next inside area is going to be 2 overlapping, right? So here it say 13 people like comedy and drama. Comedy and drama is 13. So this area right here is going to be 13, but you already use 6. So what's left over here is going to be 13 minus 6 will be 7. Do the same thing. So here we have 10 people like comedy and science fictions. Comedy and science fictions overlapping is this. But then out of 10, you use 6 before already. So this area is going to be now 4. 10 minus 6. For the same reason, you have drama and science fictions, 11, but subtract 6, so it will be 5 right here. So 11 minus 6, right? 11 minus this 6 will be overlapping of drama and science fictions. And now we're going to find these 3 area. So next information, I have 26 people like comedy, right? So from the comedy, this is the comedy circle. So 26 people, this have to be 26. But I already used 4, 6, 7. That's part of the comedy, right? So you're going to subtract 17, 10, 4 plus 6 is 10, 7, which is 17 from 26. You get 9. So then here, the next one, it say 21 people like drama. So drama, the whole circle have to be 21. And you already use 7, 6, 5. So when you subtract 7, 6, 5 from 21, you get 3. And it say 5 people like science fictions. So whole circle have to be 25. But you already used 4, 6, 5. So when you subtract that, you get 10 remains. So let me total this, right? Let me total this. You have 9 plus 7 plus 6 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 10. That's how many people I got used, right? So when you total them up, let's see how many I get. You're going to get 44. In order to find the outside of those 3 circles, you had 60 people total. So you do 60 minus 44, you get 16. So value outside of 3 circles, 3 sets is going to be 16. Now you're going to see how easy to answer these questions once you have Venn diagrams. B, how many people, how many of this survey like comedy but neither drama or science fiction? So they like the comedy but no drama, no science fiction, which is going to be 9, right? So you just need to write it here. We'll say 9. And then C, how many people like drama and science fictions but not comedy? So how many people like drama and science fictions but not a comedy? So you need to subtract that, right? So that's going to be 5. D, how many people like drama or science fiction? Or means everything, right? So it'll be drama and science fiction, but not a comedy. So you exclude these 3. So you're going to just add 3, 5, and 10, right? Which is 18. Let's see, what about E? How many people like exactly one movie style only? So one movie style, you're going to have these numbers, right? Because this is overlapping area. This is just the one movie. The people who like comedy, people who like only drama, right? So you're going to add 9, 3, and 10. Which is 22 people. And then the next one is asking how many people like at least 2 movie styles, right? 2 movie style is going to be this area. 2 movie, least 2 movie, right? So you're going to have 4, 7, 5 is 2 movie, but you do have people that like all 3, right? So 6. Least 3, so you can include 6. It means you're going to do 4 plus 7 plus 5 plus 6, which is again 22. The last one is how many people like none of the movie style. Well, that's easy. That's outside of 3. So outside is this 16. So your solution of the last question is 16 people. See how easy that was with the Venn diagram?